How to tag someone on WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tag someone on WhatsApp status. It's a great way to give someone a shout out or share a fun moment with them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply go to the Updates tab in the navigation menu, and from here simply tap on the plus button on your profile picture to create a new story. Now you can either take a photo or video using the camera or choose media from your gallery. Now next, look at the right side of the caption bar and you will see the mention symbol. So simply tap on it to open your contact list. Now scroll through and select the person that you want to tag. You can tag multiple people by repeating this step. And once you have added your captions and tags, simply tap on send to and choose the contacts or groups you want to share your story with, and that's it. That's how you can tag someone on WhatsApp status. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.